Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tresey with Treseysworld, and y'all know what's happening today. Y'all can see what's happening today. We got our beads, we got everything, we got our little mask, you know. Listen, we are celebrating Mardi Gras, and today's drink is going to be so delicious, so easy to make, and something everyone can enjoy, soberistic style, alcohol free, okay? So listen, watch this video until the end, and I'll be right back. Listen, I got my beads. Yes. Oh, look, and a shot glass with it. Hey. But y'all know we're making our drink soberistic style, so we, you know, we'll be getting a shot of something that's non-alcoholic, okay? But we got our, you know what, I'm gonna put this on. I'm about to put this on. There's two of them. All right, beautiful people, I know you can't see my face. I'm standing up, but I'm going to move some stuff out of the way so that you can see what we're working with today. So we are taking out the blender today, you see, and we are working with ice. We're working with some limeade. That's what this is. We got some club soda, and then our little secret little ingredient that's going to make it all come together, okay? So I'm going to move this out the way, but I want you guys to be able to see everything. So we're gonna move our beads. They will return, but we'll move them out the way for now. Okay. All right, guys. So you guys see the blender here. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some club soda in the blender, and I'm actually gonna use this entire can right here. I'm gonna leave this one right here, but I'm gonna put this entire can in here. So y'all see that? Now y'all see it. I know y'all don't see me. Don't fret. I'll be back. But I just want you guys to see what we're doing up close, okay? So that was club soda, okay? Now, we got some limeade here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I'm going to use all this limeade, and I'm going to make our club soda and our limeade mixture, and I'm going to set that to the side because I'm going to use it again. You hear me? I'm going to use some of this for another drink. So I'm going to show you guys more than one drink that you can make in honor of Mardi Gras, okay? So let me just go ahead and put all of, oops, well, guess it's dropping itself down. But we'll put that back right there. All right, guys. I'm trying to move everything out. It's something when you have a little decoration, you gotta move things out the way so you guys can see. All right, so this is my limeade. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in my blender. All of it. All of it. Okay? I'm gonna go ahead and do another can of club soda. Another can of club soda I'm going to do because, as I told you before, I'm making more than one drink. If you're making one drink, I'll give you some information on how to do that. But I'm making two separate type of drinks, so I want to make this mixture first. All right. We're done with these. All right, so what I'm going to do is, before I continue, I'm going to take some of this mixture out because I want to use it for another drink, okay? All right. We're gonna move it over here. All right, so I'm gonna pour some of this into this. Actually, yeah, I'll do this. We shuffling around some stuff. So I'm gonna pour some of my mixture into here. And I'm gonna put this to the side. This is a completely different drink. That's about, I hope that's about enough. That should be enough. All right, so next up in the blender is ice. So I'm gonna put all of this, a cup of ice, cube, crush, whatever you got in the blender. Now, this is the fun part. This is yellow right now. You guys see the color? It is yellow. It is not the color we need for Mardi Gras. We don't want no yellow drinks. We want this to be a nice color. So we're gonna go ahead and add some purple Kool-Aid, which is grape Kool-Aid. Listen, for all y'all judging me for saying purple Kool-Aid, red Kool-Aid, that's what we said. But we're gonna put some grape Kool-Aid up in here. Listen, y'all measure according to your likeness, according to your preference. But let me go ahead and put this grape up in here. You're gonna see this color change. I'm gonna put some more in there. But for right now, whoo, that'll make me sneeze, y'all. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and get to blending a little bit. So make sure it's all down. And I want to use okay, right now it's purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of Grenadine. Y'all know I use Grenadine for everything, so y'all shouldn't be surprised. Y'all know it was coming. I'm gonna add a little bit of that, and I'm gonna add some more of the Kool-Aid in a moment. But we're gonna add a little bit of that in there. I know y'all like, that's red, I know y'all, listen. Now that did it. I don't hear any more ice. So I wanted to get my ice all crushed. Now this is gonna be so good. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of my Kool-Aid mixture. I got this top in here hard. There we go. Ooh, that was rough. Okay. All right, y'all see where we are? You see where we are. So now I'm going to add a little bit of my Martini cocktail mix blue raspberry. Of course it is alcohol free because I know y'all gonna ask me. Woo, okay. And I'm keeping your eye on everything that I'm doing so you can see what's going on in there. I don't put too much. All right, y'all, so y'all know this was coming. Y'all know this was coming. I add this to a lot of our drinks. It gives it that feel of an actual cocktail. And this is our Seedlip. We're going to add it in place of alcohol. But if you want to use alcohol, suit yourself. Do what you need to do, okay? Let me go ahead and add a little bit of Seedlip in there. Not too much. All right, last ingredient. Add a little bit of ginger ale. Just a little. Just a little. Okay. Just a little bit. I'm gonna give it a quick. That was quick. All right.
As you can see, our mixture is light purple. We need it to be darker. No worries. As time goes, you'll see it change And it only takes a couple of minutes to do this. So just go ahead and let it set for a couple of minutes and take a look at it. And your end result will be a very deep, dark purple. And that's just what we want.
Alright y'all, so I went ahead and put a little sugar actually on this one. My rimmed it just a little bit, but not too much. Alright, so now let me move this out the way. And we are going to pour it up, pour it up. Now you can add ice if you like. I didn't add any ice to this, because I want you to really see the color. But you can if you want to. Alright. Now we're gonna add some cuteness. A lot of y'all saw the baby shower video that I did for my sister, and I served purple drinks. Now, this is a similar drink, but it's not quite like the one. Hers is more lavender, but this, my friend, this is ready. Y'all see this? We're gonna put a little something in there, make it look cute. Great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. Hey, see y'all later. Bye.